Welcome back, guys, to my channel over here. Carlos again, your boy Carlos. Today we ended up getting a few more things. I ordered a few more parts. I wanted to change the truck a little bit. Right now it's a recovery tank that I ordered. Let me at least show you real quick what I got. Here we go. Alright, so this box, I ordered this through eBay. Okay, the reason why is just I didn't like my CatchCan that was basically stock with the vehicle there. They came with the vehicle. By having a different radiator, it changed the location, and then by adding a turbo, I started running out of space. So what I ended up doing is basically getting myself a brand new CatchCan. Okay, not bad. It's about 40 bucks. Okay, it's got a sight glass right over here, and it's got the inlet and out ports. I can use the bottom one as a drain, or actually as a fill, and then one of the top ones as a drain, and then bring this plug up here. I can do vice versa, either way. But I do have to do one thing that's different. I may have to change the ports. The hose is too damn small where it's coming from the radiator, and I gotta make these here small. So they have an O-ring at the end, okay, but I just have to make sure I have the right threads with a smaller flare fitting there. Well, with a smaller fitting. Okay, I got to go down to like a 1/4 or 5/16. Well, with the same threads here in the O-ring seal. Well, I'll make something work. I'll figure something out. I'll make it work. But at the same time, I just want to mount it, find a spot for it, and go from there. Plus, another thing I bought too. I ordered this on eBay also. Received it yesterday. Right here. I was putting in my timing cover, and of course I had to take the harmonic balancer out, all that. Now I have to install it, reinstall it. So what this is the reinstalling tool for the harmonic balancer on my LS engine. Okay, and for those that do not know, basically this just goes in, this threads in, okay, with a washer, okay, threads inside, and basically pulls the harmonic balancer in as I spin the nut around. So we're just gonna put it to action. Let's just get to work. Alright, so right now I'm running it in. I'm running the threads in first. It's got an Allen head, okay? That way, when it bottoms out, okay, I'm able to use my socket here. I'm able to fit my socket here, and then I can just use my ratchet wrench and get it going. See, I already got the nut ready. Just got to get my big ratchet. Go from there. I just don't want a lot of stem sticking out so that I won't be able to spin it, because I can't just get a regular wrench in there. So here we go. Okay, harmonic balancer's in, lines up with my power steering pulley, works out, everything else lines up, so we're good. I just got to put a bolt and torque it. So I won't do that. I'm just going to throw in the belt that way, because I got to fix this also. I got to go from the outlet from the engine to the radiator. I got to put it in the belt, because I may have to manipulate this pipe here, figure something out here, and I don't want it to hit the belt, so I don't want to have any surprises. Okay, we got some Loctite on it, and we're gonna put it in, and then we're just gonna torque it to, the whatever it calls for. I think it's 240 foot-pounds, but I won't show that. Now I can go with this here hose, the outlet from the engine, figure something out. It goes here. I'll try to make it look good. By the way, this is my other fitting. This is my steam port fitting, and it's gonna go into, I don't know if y'all can see it. right here, right where my finger is, right here, if you can see it, right here, from here, from that right there, all the way to here. That's all I gotta do. So it's a lot of hoses I gotta plug back in. I gotta plug in my drain also, my turbo drain. So I gotta put in my turbo, mock up the line over here from where it comes out and set it up in there. Figure it out, make it happen, little by little. Here's what the recovery tank was. Okay, I took the fender out basically, so therefore it's got no place for it, and then it's gonna hit the turbo. See, that's where the turbo mounts there. So that's coming out, and then I'm thinking about going this particular spot. I'm gonna take the windshield washer reservoir because I am not gonna run wipers. Okay, I already took the wiper motor out. Okay, that's just gonna be there. I'm not gonna use it. It's gonna be a race vehicle anyways. So I'm thinking about taking this right here. All right, so let's see if I can get this bad boy out. It's already unbolted, unplugged, and it's got still fluid in there. Oh, forgot, I gotta take this out. It's not needed. Where we're going, we don't need this. All right, here we go. And here's my turbo intake. It's gonna go right towards the intake, so that's what that is. I gotta find a spot somewhere on here because this is where I want it. So I'm just gonna go do a dry fit, and if I gotta figure out some mounts, we'll figure out some mounts. But I wanted to be straight up and down, and I wanted to go from here to here. I'll make this look nice, figure something out. That way at least I'm gonna give you guys an idea. That way next time you see it, it's done, installed, okay? But somewhere in here is where I'm gonna go. Even if I gotta cut the corners, trim it, make it look good so it'll fit. Yeah. You just gotta trim some of this here edges, especially that one over there at the bottom. Just gotta cut this one here at the bottom, trim it just enough, trim this one just enough in here, and you make it fit. All right guys, here we go. This is what I found. This piece right here, it was sticking out of the fender. It was like that, okay? So all I did was just hacked it up, cut it up, okay? Now my reservoir, now she fits in great. Alright, she's mounted. She's in. I don't know how well you can see it. Okay, she's in. So now I just have to go from here, get a different size fitting there, and then make it so that it goes this way and right here. Guys, that's a wrap. I'm just gonna show you previous videos of what I've done about the timing cover and on the water pump, the steam vent. So I'm just gonna point at here, I'm just gonna point above. That's where the video is gonna be, the link of the video. And at the same time, like, share, subscribe, okay? Hit that bell notification so I can make more videos for you guys. Make this happen so I can just don't have to work and just do this full time. Thanks.